The woman said her brother tried to kill 6 of them in her house. She said, "I got up Friday morning to make breakfast for my babies and the little man I take care of. And when we turned on the pipe, a pure blue water with throat coming out, and I reached out to a few farmers, my mother and her husband included, and them told me to say it could be Bunna or Grammar Zone."
Black tank where the boy throw the Bunna into. See there, connect up to my bathroom, connect up to run in my kitchen, connect up to everything in the house, and then throw the Bunna in at the tank. Alright. This is the grass. I'm going to throw the water on. See there? See the grass there? This is the grass that I throw the water and I took out of the black tank. See it there, people? See it there? Burning. In the morning, Friday morning. Friday just gone. After we find out so the water poison, we get the police involved. We call Christiana. Christiana transfer it to Spalding's police. We call Spalding transfer it to Mandeville. We call Mandeville transfer it to Kendall. Kendall police came. The police examined the water. Him climb up on the top of the black tank. And him say him cannot see anything in the tank because the tank black. However, he can smell the chemical essence coming from the black tank. Right? You can smell the chemical essence coming from the black tank. However, there is nothing you can do about it because we never see the person. My brother, we never see him throw the poison in the water. So there's nothing they can do about it. However, them are going to warn him about the threat we make. Them take my statement. Them. I don't even know if them find him. Them take my statement. Them said to me, say, "Mommy, don't throw away the water. Keep it for further evidence." Right? The police say the water cannot be tested and there's nothing they can do about it, but I must keep the water. I must seek out for other advice. The person reach out to me and tell me, say, "Miss, do not throw away the water. The water is evidence. And anybody tamper with that water is going to be in serious problem." All right. I went back to Spalding's police station to file an official report. Up and going to Spalding's, me get a phone call. Say my mother, the mother we birthed the 2 away. Call him and call my brother and said to my brother, say, "Me hear say the girl gone a station gonna file report against you. Go on down a station, go clear your name." Right? My mother, you know people, my mother we birthed the 2 away. When me reach a Spalding's and go down to the police station, my brother reached there before me. Reach at the station to go clear him name before me reach a Spalding. Why you go down there go clear your name, say? There wasn't a statement made there yet. Why you reach down there? According to them, they say ain't go clear his name because he don't have nothing to do with the poison being in the drum. So if you don't have nothing to do with it, where you go clear your name, say? All right. All was said and done, and me pass him in the streets to one friend, him a show people me and say, "See the dirty girl there? We a tell lie pa me." Me say, "Yes, see me ya. What I go do ya? Who ya tell what I go come do to me? Me a talk up for me right and me a talk up for me pitney them because you wicked." Friday passed off. Saturday come. Yesterday Saturday. Me dey home whole day, me no go nowhere. I don't hear nobody come at me yard, nobody, nothing. Me leave me yard 5 o'clock. I go Spalding, me went to the supermarket. I never spent half an hour at the supermarket. And by the time I come back, my baby father called me attention to the grass when I throw the bun of water upon the grass, burn up people. And I say, all right, I go take the video of the black tank now. And I go take the video of the water and the grass and post it. And people, when I do so bap and go at the pipe, go turn on the lock off. Remember the police tell me, say, turn off the lock off. And me turn on the lock off and come down at my house bottom and turn on the pipe outside. When me I try turn on the pipe already turn on and turn out. No water now come out of the pipe. Remember, the police said nobody should tamper with the evidence. Me left me yard less than half an hour. And when me come back, the criminal them The criminal, him and him mother, my mother, empty the tank of water. Now tell me which side she depend. My side or the side of justice or the side of our grandchildren them where she have here, where she shouldn't stand up for say no, if you poison your sister tank, you're wrong. If you try to kill off of your sister, you're wrong. If you try to kill off of your nieces and nephew, you're wrong. You should have never poison your sister. If she do you something and you want to get back at her, find a different way. What kind of mind you have? No, my mother don't do that. My mother take her son's side like the good mother she is. My mother not like me. My mother not love me. My mother, I don't know if because me favor my father and my brother favor she. My mother have a hatred for me. So anything where my brother say from childhood days coming up till now, my mother side with him. When my brother wrong, I me get the beating. Anything he do, I me get the backlash. Some of the time when he do some things and get himself in a trouble, me say, God, you are such a good God. Thank you, Father. Me never there when they can you that ear say I'm midwheat. That's how bad it is. My mother take him side. I come now, turn on the pipe, no water. I say, all right. I said to me, father, say, then turn out them let out the water out of the tank where the police say nobody enough to trouble the water. Call back the police and see what go on. The police, them, it take a while for the police, them come. All right. When the police, them come, the police come to me and ask me, where is the person? Carry him to down at the yard where him there, down at my mother yard where my brother there, and we stand up and him attack. The police call him and attack to him. The policeman said, did you poison the drum of water? No, officer. What did you do to the drum of water? Nothing. What are you to this lady here that filed a complaint against you? Him saying, sister. The police said to him, say, you that really kill off your sister, your nieces and nephew? My mother fly up long time. Bad word, bad word, bad word, bad word. And the girl are wicked and this. Me, she attack her daughter, what she put out, boy, she push out, what she give birth to, 1992. She attack about. The police calm down the situation. Send my brother for him ID. To take a picture. What you want him ID for? What you gonna do? You saw that girl the wicked? Call police on my yard for lock up our brother. This and that and horse dead and cow fat. All of this not necessary. We're just trying to settle the confrontation. They never have to trouble the water. Why they trouble the water? My mother blurt out and say she empty the water. She talk to somebody and she want to prove for herself. Say the bun in the water. First place, when everything come out in the ear, she say, I know our son throw the bun in the water. Our son, where our son I go get bun from in hours a night. Remember, my mother is a farmer. My mother plant too much acres of yam, planting, sweet potato, carrot, everything you can think of. She have her chicken, she have pig, she have goat, she have everything. My mother a farmer. She have every farmer chemical you can think about. And yet, I don't know if when she talk, after we talk to her about the water, she talk. I don't know if she knows that nobody did listen to her. She say when her son has circled the house in the night, I go around a fear house, she don't know where he might look for. But she see when him go around the house. And I was there in the house, me never that sleep and nothing. Me hear the rumblings from the house, but I thought it was a dog. Never take it for nothing. After that, I smell one little burning scent. And when I come at my front door and look through the window, I see my brother build a big fire topside the house. Say my burn rubbish in the hours and night, 10 o'clock. I never pay no mind because I go at my bed. Anyways, back to the argument. My mother say, when my cousin tell her, say, if you take out some of the water out of the drum and throw it on the grass and watch it. Half tank of water, people, half tank of water. And she said she take out 2 buckets of water out of the tank. When I took the water from the tank, I took a paint pan of water and threw it on the grass. She take out 2 buckets of water out of the tank for throw upon grass to watch grass burn. The paint pan of water burn up the grass. What you think the 2 buckets of water going to do to the grass? Yet you take out 2 buckets of water out of the tank, and when I come, the tank empty. But guess what? Them a plan and God a wipe. Them a plan and God a wipe because me did done already have my evidence put on. So anything where my mother any evidence where my mother want this try for protect her son, you lose. God a fight my battle, you lose. You lose again. And I'll forever be a God bless picking because you know, can't kill me if you get what me. You know for me I come from? You know for me I come from? Me start build my house in a 2018. Pregnant, I build my house. My mother no give me nothing. My mother no help me do nothing. My mother offer me money. She said to me, she come to me one day and said she give me 100,000 to finish the house. People may be like 2-bedroom, bathroom, kitchen and living room and veranda. My mother give me 100,000 to left my baby father and finish the house with the 100,000. What can 100,000 do? Me owe more than 100,000 over the years. Me finish my house. I live with my baby father. I have my children them. I live with an elderly man. I am God blessed because I keep on doing good for people. So God has blessed me. I finished my house in a 2022, 23. Finish up. When me put on the last door in a 2024 and start moving on my house, the same bread and my blood bread are bex with me. Because me moving on my house. Tell me, what kind of heart you have for you try poison your sister, your little sister, your smaller sister? We are trying to make a life for her and our pitney them. What kind of heart you have in a you? Me we care for you, we would have do everything for you and your pitney them. What kind of heart you have in a you?
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified.